Okay, so we've got a couple of examples to show today on ideas pages. So this is going to be the top tips for ideas pages for any particular project really. In this case we're looking at jewellery or sort of body adornment. So again, much like the other pages, we're going to have a simple and quick background just to kind of keep things interesting. So this person has just stuck some brown paper. Sometimes people like to rip the edge of the page as well. That can kind of be fun. Just kind of makes things interesting to look at. I would argue that they've maybe put too big a title and in a weird place, so you could maybe just keep it up here. The important factor is we have a wide range of initial ideas, quick sketches, quick things that have been inspired by your research. And what's particularly nice about this example is that they have some photographs that which kind of explain where the idea came from, so you can quite easily see through annotation and the actual drawing where the ideas come from. So that's really nice to see. The examiners love that. It's all about showing connections to stuff. Keep the ideas in black pen, you know, helps them sort of pop. And again, use the DOD, the description. Think about, explaining the style or what the materials could be, and then your opinion about how you feel about it, how you might develop or change it. Ideally introduce it. This person didn't, so explain like what you're intending to do on the page, and then at the bottom kind of summarize which one is your favorite and why, and what you might do next, etc. So that's one example of a great ideas page. This is another one. I quite like the background on this, just a pale sort of dribbly wash, very, very nice. What is good is they have introduced it and they have summarised it with some really interesting drawings, about 5 or 6 on here, explaining different materials, what the materials could be and what their surface might be like. I also like the fact that they've actually included some physical things about how they might fix parts of the design. Using sort of a rivet system here, which I thought that's really good, actually really communicating and thinking about the design itself. So that's a good tip if you can stick the real thing. If you can't stick the real thing, stick a photograph of what you're intending, and again annotate that. So again, that is another great ideas page for a jewellery project, but it's the same sort of system for any project really. Introduction, summary, simple background, range of images, annotations, physical objects explaining what the materials could be, and or photographs to show where the idea came from. That's a really good thing to do too. Okay, that's my top tips for initial ideas pages.